it's Lately Uploaded. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing this Spring Vibes look by the Ballerina Bride MUA on Instagram. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Today I figured it would be a lot of fun to do a look that I have had saved to my phone for over a year at this point. It is inspired by the Ballerina Bride MUA on Instagram. I love their work so much. The gem placement, the sparkles, everything about their work is just obsessed. So I have my lip primer with the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas in Fair. And then I took the P. Louise Acid Rain in Ibiza, the Base Ick, and Touch of Frost, and Limelight from Beauty Creations Cosmetics, and I have no idea where I set it. It's behind my palettes. But these. I am going to start out with the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Blends palette. I got to thinking when I was filming yesterday, which is the look that'll be up next week, about how I haven't used the Blends palette in what seems like entirely too long. So I'm going to take this Doe Color number 11 brush and Giggle, and I'm going to add Giggle all over the purple pastel bit. I'm just patting it on. I love these colors together. I'm also going to add it to the inner corner on that extended bit. I feel like my lighting is off. Oh, fun fact about almost being 30. So I went into the laundry room and I went to open the window, but my washer and my dryer is in front of it and I'm short. So I tried to hop up on the washing machine to open the window, and I hurt my hip, and I was like, I'm too 30, like what? I'm 30, so well, not quite yet. I will be 30 in September, but I was like, huh. So now that I have that on, actually I'm going to take a little bit more, pop it right there, and then I'm going to take a bubble bath, and I'm going to put it on the blue. Just doing little pats. Pat, 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 pat. And I'm just gonna like pat it along the edges of Giggle. And I will go back into Giggle and touch it up here in just a little bit. But right now I just want to get these shades on because I am getting some creasing in these colorful bases, which you will have that sometimes. So it's fine. I've had these on for a few minutes anyway because I had to get my camera ready to film. So I'm just going to take this brush over across and just kind of pat it. Just tapping it. And then I'm going to take a tiny bit of Inside Joke and pat it on the edge of Bubble Bath. Oh, I'm excited because this evening we are going to have mac and cheese from HelloFresh. And I have found the best macaroni and cheese recipes out of that. This one's got jalapenos and I love spicy, and I was like, give me all the spicy, please. Especially because my allergies are bothering me and I just like spicy things. Like, I like spicy things a lot in my like daily whatever like I eat, or if I go out and have a margarita, I do like a spicy margarita with the jalapenos in it. But if my allergies are bothering me, I want hot even more. I don't know. I love hot and spicy stuff. So I'm going into the Primal palette into Ray, and I am mixing that with Prey. I'm going to just mix the two together, and then I'm going to pop it onto that yellow. I'm going to take a little bit of Luna and just blend it. Make it give that yellow mixture a nice little hug. And then I'm going to switch back over to the Blends palette and touch everything up. For this, I'm going to take this Doe Color number 12 brush and take a little bit of Giggle. Blend that. Really, just patting them works. That's what I love about Blend Bunny Cosmetics. They blend like a dream. All the palettes do. I'm excited for whatever's coming out next. I need to know what it is. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of Inside Joke. This feels so wrong because I'm like, okay, I need sparkles. It's like, but the sparkles are the gems, so it's going to have to be okay. Well, for me anyway. If you want to add sparkles, do what you want to do. I was just trying to do it as best as I could with the picture because I did not have the pearls or the gems that were exactly like what she'd used. So I just kind of winged it. And I'm going to take a little bit more bubble bath and just pat, 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 pat. I'm excited because I've been watching XQC stream on Twitch. He just makes me laugh. And he went live the night before last at like 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m. my time, and streamed until it was 20 hours or 21 and a half hours. So I went to sleep watching him stream, woke up, was excited he was still on, and then while I was trying to film the look that I did yesterday, I was like watching him while I was doing the rest of my face, and then like he was on for late, like kind of late. I don't know. I don't see how he does it. I'd have been asleep. But anyway, yeah, he's streaming again today, and I'm like, ooh, yay, something for me to laugh at, like the memes and stuff, because I just feel like I need some laughter. I don't know. Being weird, but what else is new? Welcome to my channel. I'm just weird. But I'm going to take some micellar water and a Q-tip to clean this up. I'm gonna give it a nice little, whatever that is. I'm going to sharpen it up, if you will. This blend is so cute, I cannot. Okay, I'm going to take what I have left in my drawer, Cosmetics Clean Canvas and Fair, and just kind of make this a little more crisp. Just kind of clean up any excess. So I am going to add some gems, and these little roses I got out of the fairy dust pack from Manic Gems. They're really cute. And yeah, so how I'm going to do this to start out with, my desk is a mess right now because it's like everything's everywhere and it has me so thrown off. Like I cannot find my eyelash glue. Anyway, I'm going to take it and I'm just going to outline what I've got going on here with it. Once I get this outline, I'm just gonna probably speed run through adding the gems on y'all's end, so it won't be as long as it is on my end, because it took me like 45 minutes to add gems, I think, but I had to find some that I had misplaced, so I don't know. I love gems, they're fun. I'm just gonna start with this bit right here. Alright, let's do this. Let's do it. Alright, I'm going to go do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you think? It's not exactly like the picture because I didn't have all the gems and pearls and stuff like that. I just made do with what I had, and I think it's pretty cute. I want to do more just matte blends, but I'm obsessed with sparkles, so I feel like I have to have sparkles every time. But this does make me want to do another all matte blend soon. So if that would be something that you're interested in, please let me know down in the comments below. While you're there, please let me know what you'd like to see next. If you'd like to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, I'll have all my social medias linked in the description box down below. And if you'd like to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me and I can't thank you enough. And yeah, I feel like that's it. Oh, let's talk about the little kitty cat flower headband. Found it at Forever 21. I felt like it was really cute. I walked out and was like, can't nobody tell me nothing. And yeah, I'm being extra. So without rambling too much, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye.